Hello guys, this is Michael with you today, and in this video I will analyze the topic: is it possible to replace fiat money with cryptocurrency and why this may not happen? Watch this video to the end to accurately understand the market conditions of the new currency and make a decision for yourself to enter headlong into the world of cryptocurrencies or stay in the traditional financial system. What is fiat money? Fiat money is money issued and supported by the state as well as by central banks. The main characteristics of fiat money: legal tender. Fiat money is an officially recognized and mandatory means of payment in the territory of the state that issued it. A lack of material security. Unlike commodity money, for example, gold, fiat money does not have its own intrinsic value. Its value is based on trust in the state and the economy. Control of emissions by the state. The issue of fiat money and control of its supply is in the hands of the state and the central bank. Used for payment of taxes and repayment of obligation. Fiat money is accepted as payment for taxes, fees, fines, and other mandatory payments in favor of the state. The most common examples of fiat money are the United States dollar, euro, Japanese yen, British pound sterling, and other national currencies. Fiat money prevails in the modern global financial system. However, in recent years, cryptocurrencies, decentralized digital money, which differ from traditional fiat currencies, have become increasingly popular. What is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. The main characteristics of cryptocurrencies are decentralization. Cryptocurrencies operate on the basis of blockchain technology, which allows them to exist without central administration or control by government agencies. Anonymity. Cryptocurrency transactions as a rule provide a high level of anonymity and confidentiality of users' personal data. Security. Cryptographic methods make cryptocurrency systems resistant to hacking and falsification. Limited emission. Most cryptocurrencies have a predetermined maximum issue volume that cannot be exceeded. The most famous example of cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Dogecoin, and others. They attract users with the possibility of international transfers without intermediaries, low fees, and prospects for cost growth. Cryptocurrencies are considered as an alternative to traditional fiat money, although so far their widespread use is limited due to the volatility of exchange rates and insufficient regulation. Like if you know about both forms of assets, and write in the comments which one you think has prospect. Arguments in favor of replacing fiat money with cryptocurrency. Here are 3 key reasons why cryptocurrencies can replace traditional money in the future: decentralization and independence from states. Cryptocurrencies operate on the basis of decentralized blockchain technology, which allows them to exist outside the control of government and central banks. This gives users great financial freedom and independence. Low transaction costs. Conducting transactions with cryptocurrencies as a rule is much cheaper than traditional bank transfers. This is especially beneficial for international payment and transfers. Increasing the availability of financial services. Cryptocurrencies provide access to financial services for people who do not have bank accounts. This can help to increase financial inclusion around the world. In addition, cryptocurrencies have advantages such as high transaction speed, immutability of records in the blockchain technology, transparency, and security. These qualities can make them more attractive than traditional money, especially for the younger generation and technologically savvy users. However, in order to completely replace fiat money, cryptocurrencies still have some problems, which I will discuss further. Arguments against replacing fiat money with cryptocurrency. Here are 3 key reasons why cryptocurrencies are unlikely to completely replace traditional money in the near future. Cryptocurrency volatility. The rate of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin demonstrates extremely high volatility. This makes it difficult to use them as a stable coin, as a stable means of payment and accumulation of value. For most consumers and businesses, such instability is unacceptable. Insufficient mass adoption. Despite its growing popularity, cryptocurrencies are still used by a limited number of people compared to traditional fiat money. widespread adoption and the infrastructure needed for a full-fledged replacement are not yet available. Regulatory uncertainty. The status and regulation of cryptocurrencies remain ambiguous in many countries. The lack of a clear legislative framework hinders the widespread use of cryptocurrencies and the main means of payment. Traditional fiat money such as the dollar, euro, or yen has a 1,000-year history and enjoys the trust of the population, businesses, and states. Despite the high potential of cryptocurrencies, they have to overcome many obstacles before they can be considered as a full-fledged replacement for ordinary money. And now, the most interesting thing is, if you were waiting for the part of this video in which I will tell you which assets are most likely to give at least 2x in bull run. The top 3 cryptocurrencies that need to be monitored until 2025 as they can give from 100% growth in a bull run extend cycle. Bitcoin is of course leader of the cryptocurrency market. As the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, Bitcoin has high potential for long-term growth, especially against the background of institutional interest. Regarding the prospect of Bitcoin in the coming years, many experts and analysts predict the continuation of the so-called bull market for the first cryptocurrency. The growth rate, most forecasts point to the possibility of Bitcoin's price rising 100k or even higher by the end of 2024, early 2025. This will be due to continued institutional interest and limited supply. Increasing mass acceptance, Bitcoin is expected to become an increasingly common means of payment, investment, and saving. Large companies and countries, for example, El Salvador, are starting to accept Bitcoin, which encourages its widespread use. The growth of the role as digital gold. Bitcoin is increasingly seen as digital gold, a reliable asset for hedging risks and preserving capital in an uncertain environment. This can significantly increase the demand for it. Further technological development. Developments aimed at improving the scalability, security, and functionality of the Bitcoin network will continue. This will increase its attractiveness to users. Institutional adoption. Large investors, funds, corporations are already increasing investment in Bitcoin, preserving it as an asset that should be present in a diversified investment portfolio. Ethereum is the second most popular cryptocurrency, which has wider application possibilities thanks to its blockchain platform. The development of DeFi and smart contracts can ensure Ethereum's steady growth. The prospects for Ethereum in the near-term bull market also look very optimistic. First, the growth rate. Most forecasts point to the possibility of an increase in the price of Ethereum to 10k during 2024-2025. This will be due to the growing demand and the constant development of the Ethereum ecosystem in bull run. Development of DeFi and NFT. Ethereum is the main platform for DeFi and non-interchangeable tokens, NFT. The continued growth of these sectors will drive the use and demand for Ethereum. Institutional interest along with Bitcoin, large institutional investors are showing a growing interest in Ethereum as a promising digital asset for portfolio diversification. Ecosystem development. Ethereum is attracting more and more developers creating new decentralized applications, dApps, and blockchain-based solutions. This expands the usefulness and application of Ethereum. Solana is a fast-growing blockchain platform with high scalability and low fees. The dApps ecosystem on Solana is actively developing. Solana's prospects in the near-term bullish outlook look very promising. High scalability. Solana is known for its high throughput, allowing up to 75k transactions per second. This far exceeds the capabilities of traditional blockchains, which attracts developers and users. Low fees. Transactions in the Solana ecosystems are characterized by very low fees, which makes it attractive to a wide range of users compared to other blockchains. The rapid growth of ecosystem. The number of developers, the apps, and other applications built in Solana is growing rapidly. This significantly increases the value and usefulness of the platform itself. Institutional interest. Major players such as Andreessen Horowitz, Polychain Capital, and Coin Fund are actively investing in the development of Solana. This draws additional attention to the project. Potential for rate growth. Many analysts predict that the price of Solana could rise to $300 to $500 over the next 12-24 months amid increased activity in the ecosystem and institutional interest. However, as with any asset, investing in cryptocurrency comes with high risks. So potential investors are advised to carefully study the project, its prospects, and risks before making a decision. In this video, we have analyzed the possibility of replacing fiat money with cryptocurrency and also analyzed the top 3 projects at the moment which are mandatory in your portfolio in bull run. Michael was in touch with you. Follow my Telegram, and bye-bye. Till the next video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friend or relative whoever is interested in this topic. So goodbye.